Man, if I gotta find a way to like get this on Discord. I hate Zoom so much. I gotta like find a way to. I'm gonna be working on that. A way to do this through Discord, but the only way right now is OBS, and OBS is like you need to like straight up gaming computer. You need a straight up gaming computer for OBS. Otherwise, your computer will be so slow. Won't be able to do much. I see what we have going on. What do we got going on? Today's Thursday. They're gonna start ranging out on some people and reversing. Happy birthday, AL. Happy birthday. Let's see. Got some beautiful sauce right there, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Let's see what they got here. See if it's worth it. Let's see if it's worth it. See what we got. Bam. 13 pips right there. A range. How far they go on the A range? Looks pretty far. Oh, they didn't. So they got 37. Quick pop. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and buy GU. 3 candle rule. Let's go ahead and buy GU. Alright, it's the easy one. 3 candle rule right here. Nothing to think about too much. We gotta be in profit at 45 minutes, or else we are out. Alright, GU is in. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So yesterday, apparently yesterday, I traded GJ, hit TP, but I don't know what I entered. I must have been sleep trading. I have no clue. I made $183 though. I don't know what I was trading it, but it traded. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was trading. Alright, perfect. Boom. AJ. Dip to the bottom. This might dip a little more just because the way it's structured right now with its pullback. So this vector could be coming back again. Nice move though. It's the high of the week right here. Second high of the week, and this right here is the entry. So we got a 2-2 formation, 2 hits to the high. So we get the first high of the week, second high of the week, and then the entry down. So it looks something like this on AJ. Looks something like this on AJ right now. This is actually the entry right now is on AJ right now. It's now. That's the actual entry right now on AJ to come back down. It'll most likely hit this white line first because it is Thursday. It might, So well, we got Friday tomorrow too, so I got some time. Got 55 pips, 100 pips right here. Hit the highs right here for the week. So if it hits this high for the week, you know, it's taking off again. You know. Let's see how far this high is. It's 50 pips, so I mean it's a good run. Might take this trade. You got 2 days left for trading. Got today and tomorrow. Got today and tomorrow. I like this trade though. Yeah, I got you. I got you. We're not close to it yet. I got you. I'm letting it play for a second. I didn't forget. I got you. I'm about to give it to you in a minute. I'm just trying to let it play for a minute. Because I was trying to see if it's going to pull back a little bit. See how strong the pullback is. I got at least to the first candle. I just need to see how far they pull back. So put it on there now then. Let's do it now. Yeah, I was trying to see if they're going to pull back a little further. So that way I can see if I'm going to put this stop loss behind the aqua for a minute. Looks like they're going to go. Looks like they're going to shoot for a minute. So, let's see. Yeah, looks like they're going to shoot. Alright, so looks like they're going to shoot. They should be shooting in a second. Yeah, easy right there. Yep. It's GU. 3 camera rule. GPUSD. So I always thought like GU moves are gold, and it really don't. I always thought it did, but it really don't. All right, back to this AJ deal. All right, they pinned them pretty good. See, they pinned them on the 4-hour. This might be a good trade right here, guys. This might be a really good trade on AJ. All right, I think we're gonna do AJ for the. I think the AJ gonna be our play for the day. I think. Pinned him. Yep, Tuesday highs, Wednesday's high. I like this trade. All right, so where we at? Not bad. We're still good. It pulled back, so that means they could pull down some more. So it's at least. And it threw us a BTS. Nope, not quite. Didn't cut through the aqua. Oh yeah, it did. I lied. Doesn't matter. They pulled back. Hit the water, pulled back, and it threw a BTS. Didn't complete the first time. Came back again. Which means that they can shift up. That's the scary part. But what I'm looking at, it's got some rejection, a lot of rejection. Alright, we're gonna do AJ. Alright, AJ, I'm selling AJ. I'm gonna be selling this. I'm gonna be selling this at least until tomorrow. At least to tomorrow. So entries now on AJ. All right. AJ's in my books. Let's get the stop loss and TPs. All right, that's the high there of the week. Let's make sure they don't take us out. All right. Boom, looks good there. Don't sell yourself short. Those A ranges there. Let's see. TDI bounce off to 50 for the takeoff. See what they do. See how they do it. See how they do it. First TP. All right, it's AJ. We got some blue waves action too. We got blue and way down here too. Monday, wait for the blue, come back to you. See what they do. See if they come back to us. See if Thursday and Friday come back to us. See what happens. I didn't do AGB this weekend. I didn't have a chance to. As soon as I got back, the market open. So I used a little bit of blue waves. So we got two methods. See what they're talking about. All right, AJ's in the books. GU. Let's look at gold before they drop on us. Boom. Gold never hit stop loss. Let's just spray was all jacked up. But that's how we're gonna take gold day for the day. That's how we're gonna do it for the day. I'm in it now. You already know I'm in that thing now, but that's how we're gonna do it for the day. So come down here. We're gonna miss all that if we don't get it now, because that's a long drop. 72 to 69 is a big drop. So you're gonna have to hold on to the horse. You have to hold on to the bull real fast. Have to hold on to that bull. Don't see it doing all this right here, but it's a long way. So entry on gold is now. All right, entry on gold is now. We're gonna take this on a lower time frame now. This is the initial. Look at that right here. But the entry on gold is now. Jeez, there you go. Things cooking with Crisco right now. All right, let's wait a minute. And 35. If you get in, you're good to go. You're fine. But let me let this let the PBIC form, and then we're gonna take it right there. And let me let this close. Let me let this candle close. camera close. All right, you guys can go ahead and go ahead and get in gold. You guys can get in now. You got 25 seconds. This thing's gonna close over. It's not gonna wake up, so you're good. There's no pullback coming. All right, so you can get in gold. We're gonna get in gold in the BTS here. Stop loss is gonna be 19.7. We get 79. We're gonna gotta let these wicks happen. Let there be light. Gotta hold on to the beast. All right, there you go. Entries now. Stop loss 1979. TP is to the white line 19. Let's do 61. Just make sure we hit that. Make sure we, just in case they wick us. All right, that's the longest TP. Here we go. All right, here we go. Let's get to the bag. Let's get to the bag. Let's get to it. Let's get this BTS going. All right, so we got an hour and a half on this, guys. But you know where TP's at. It's a white line. It's an hour and a half on this 3 candle rule. Yeah, I check it out. I haven't traded crypto in like probably 2 months. I haven't traded ETH in like 2 months. All right, so leave gold there. Let that come down. If it gets to like 1963 and it's like flirting with that 61, 60 area, between 63 and 61, go ahead and take it. Pretty much, if it drops to the A range right here, make sure you take your money. Remember, this is a fast play. This could just drop, blink of an eye, not even paying attention. Drop, hit TPs, but then or get close to TP and come back up for another drop. So we'll leave it there. All right, ETH. I check it out. Yeah, I check it out. One more second. Let me look at what was it? J. One sec. Let gold do its thing. Let's let it flirt for a while. We got a while on it. We got the best entry possible. Unless it like pulls back and does all that stuff. But right now, we got one of the better entries. What I'm looking at, Ayo. What I'm looking at. Let's see where we at. I mean, I don't see nothing to trade on this. I don't see nothing to trade on this. I don't see nothing to trade on this thing. I stopped messing with cryptos. They play ranging too much. Zooming out, this thing is just range. This thing ranges too much. Structure is trash. Zero money made on this. Nobody's making money on this. But yeah, I don't see anything on this. You gotta trade this on a higher time frame. You can scalp it, but I mean, it's so fast right now. Just look at these higher time frame candles. It's so fast that you really can't do much on this. You gotta scalp this thing. I would let's see. Get ready to sell though. Get ready to sell pretty good. It trapped on period 800. I would take it in the next hour and a half. I would take it for the next hour and a half, 2 hours. I would look for this to give you something for a sell. Yeah, I would vibe cryptos right now. I wouldn't even trade crypto on my own right now. If I was anybody, I'd use the product vibe. Straight up, I would not trade this mess by myself. This looks ridiculous. This looks retarded. No offense, but it does. This thing is just dumb. Like, what is this? Like, you can't even catch this move. You can't even catch anything in this. You can't get any entries. Once it drops like this, you can't get no entries. Like this one candle on lower time frame, you can't get you have 0 entries. Once it drops like that, no entries. Once it rises like this, you have no entry. Just the way they do you. That's why I stopped playing so much of it. And I just traded longevity. I mean, I invested in it, but I also just yeah, I just go ahead and I would trade the 1 hour AL. I would trade the 1 hour or 2 hour and find your entries there for sure. Do your entries on that. That way you don't have to keep looking at it, because it's gonna give you some noise. Yeah, they do pay good though. They do pay you out. You gotta catch them though. You just gotta make sure. Right now and Friday, like I said, well, it's gonna be weekend, but on today and like Friday, this is the times you gotta actually catch it, so that way you know which way the market's going. So if you catch it on Friday, that's the way the market's going all weekend. That way you don't have to be hung up. Alright, what GU doing? Alright, we got 20 minutes left. Let's see what they do in 20 minutes. They're ranging out on us. USD getting strong. I don't know what they did, but they in there. Alright, USD CHF looks good. I like this play. Nice slow trade. Nice slow trade. I play it once in a while. I play a lot, but it's hard to trade. It's hard to trade everything. Cause I only keep like 4 trades in my MT4 at a time, 4 pairs at a time. Most time it's smothered with gold and NZD CHF, like on swing trades like that. Most time it's smothered with that. So if I do trade like ZAR, it's in and out. Sometimes, most of the time. Alright, USD CHF. Because ZAR is volatile, so You gotta have capital. You have to have capital to actually hold that. And those candles are like 1,000 pips alone. So yeah, you definitely can't be like staring at it. You drive yourself crazy. Faster, everything faster than gold. A range. This is a longer play here on USD CHF, but it's slow. Just looking to see if it's worth it. Trying to maybe go below this A range. USD CHF is a pair that doesn't kill your account. It's like NZD CHF. That's 25. It's 35. So possible 70 between today and tomorrow. It's possible. All the noise going on. With all the noise going on like it. Alright, USD CHF, guys. Look at this. Bam. 8 candle rule. 8 hours. You gotta be a profit. It's gonna be a long trade. So when they do this, if you're trading this, make sure you see. Look at that sauce. So let's do this. Let's just do 12 hours. That way it's a lot easier. So by the close of the market, we gotta be in profit. Let's do it that way. You see how you go up and see how they're throwing you? They throw you something even better. So instead of working off that and drive yourself nuts, let's work off USD CHF 12 hours. So by the end of the day, if you're not in profit, you get to exit the trade. So there you go. You chef. All right. USD CHF. Bam. All right, let's get a good stop loss though, so I don't want to get spiked out. Spread times 2. Let's see how far they really are. Maybe we can get 30. We can get 40 pips out of it. We can get 40 pips out of this. It's 40 pips because see they spike. All right, 12 hours. So by the end of the day, you gotta be in profit. Let's see, stop loss. I like these trades because one, these don't kill your account, and two, they're slow. Unless news hits, they're slow. So we got some sauce on that. Yeah, Vibe is all over, man. I haven't done HFX since they've been not letting people get their money. That's why I stopped trading HFX. Cause they gave me a hard time getting my money out. I didn't like all that. They were playing my money. I wasn't feeling that at all. That was the 2 brokers. That's all it took for me. 2 brokers. I'm like, nah, I'm good. Yeah, I've tried to withdraw $10,000. It took me 45 days to withdraw 10,000. I don't like all that. That's a long time. You holding my money. I'm trying to withdraw it. If I made my money, give me my money. So that's what happens when you trade those unregulated brokers. People don't get their money back. Have you made a withdrawal with HFX yet? like you trade it, made your money, and then try to withdraw. Have you done that yet? God damn you, GJ. Never rely on GJ, man. Cannot rely on GJ. I'm trying to get him to DJ. I can never rely on it right now. Cannot rely on it. Yeah, so you withdraw higher than 50 and see what happens. Yeah, withdraw those thousands of dollars and they're going to hold your money. They'll let you get 50 out. That's easy. That's the minimum. Just about, right? So they'll let you get that out. But, yeah, they're going to hold you for a minute. If you get a couple thousand, they're going to hold you out. They're going to hold you. Happened to me twice already. I was scraping it. Yeah, see, yeah, that's easy. That's easy. That's the easy low stuff. I'm talking about when you get into thousands of dollars, when you try to withdraw your money, that's when they start acting shady. I hear that. All right, I'm trying to get in the GJ, guys, but that thing keeps on. Every time I try to like get a good entry, it pushes. And I know it's. I mean, it's cruising on lower time frames, but these higher time frames is what I'm worried about. I caught a little bit up yesterday, apparently, but this right here is just like this is high for GJ. I mean, GJ used to be up here for a while though. GJ used to be like way up here before COVID, but don't. It's pretty high right now, and the ADR is exhausted for the week. Let's see, Monday. This is Monday. Maybe. What's this? Monday, yeah. 209? Maybe not. Maybe not. It's actually a low week for GJ. That means he's gonna have a nasty drop. And that drop is probably gonna be nasty. That's 70 pips there. 170. That's probably was. And then you got this down here. This could be a Thursday and Friday right here. With 200 pips up, 200 pips down. That's about that's DJ ADR right there. Yeah, we got 3 candle rule. We should be good. It's doing crazy. GJ's like, this is the drop right here, guys. This is. I've seen this play before. Let's check this out. I've seen this play. This is the drop. This is the drop you want. This is the drop you want right here. I ain't gonna lie. This is an easy 200 pips. 200 pips on a $2 lot size is nice. If you just use $2 too. All right, GU looks good. AJ looks good. Gold looks good. Almost at TP1. We're gonna get the GJ trade before we get off this trade. Before we get off here. All right, boom, sauce. So what they do here, guys, what they'll do is they'll do this. They'll come out here, A range, poke their head out on a vector, right? You'll see this play a lot. They poke their head out on a vector. They'll give you that. Trap the traders. Boom, come back down. All right, and then they'll actually let these traders out. They might let these traders out. They're actually gonna let these traders out because there was no set. There's nothing to set right here. They have them right here. They'll probably let them out. And they're going to go towards, hopefully towards that TP, you know? Towards that TP to let them out. So go towards TP, let them out. When they let them out, they may do the New York reverse on them. Come here, thinking that they're going to go ahead and do their thing. All right? Come up here, exceed a little bit, and then do a New York reversal. So 9 o'clock, around that time, 8 o'clock, they're going to create this formation right here and give you a nasty New York reversal. and come on down. So watch out for it. Now, on new reversal, watch the TDI, because right here is where you want to be. All right, if you watch yesterday's stuff, it's right here where you want to be. You want to be that. You want to be right there in that near reversal, because when it comes down, that thing is coming down. It ain't stopping. So let's let it be. We stayed. Was that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3. We got 7 minutes, 55 seconds. Stand profit. See what they do. See what they do to us. See what they do for us. Gold is cooking though. Cooking with Crisco. GU looks good. AJ look good. AJ trade should be following GU. GJ, sorry, GJ. Alright, let GU breathe for a second because it's gonna play for a minute. It's gonna play for a minute. So let's do 7 minutes. Let's come back to it. Come back to it at 5:30. All right, we got AJ. Check it out. Make sure we're good on these profits on AJ. I'm gonna make sure everything looks good on AJ. Also throwing you a nice MES. Higher time frame BTS. Looks good. 1 hour. Looks good. Yeah, we're looking good on AJ. Just let AJ breathe. Let AJ breathe. And let GJ do it. Let's just get in GJ. The 55, 65, 165. All right, so 165. There you go, Terrence. Feel good when you're in them trades for a day. You hit TPs. All right, so GJ. All right, GJ got an impulse move down here. And impulse move down up here. And the high of the week is now. That's a big deal. So coming off this 15-minute, the high of the week is now. It's a big deal. The low of the week was down here. And it took off. So the high of the week, they ranged. So let's see what they did for the week. Level 1 rise. Consolidation. Level 2 rise, consolidation. Level 3 rise, consolidation. So what can they do? Drop, consolidation, drop. Back to there. Let's do that. That's the levels of drop right there. Levels of rise, levels of drop on GJ. So let's take a look at this GJ. We're gonna set GJ. The entry is now. Entry's gonna be now, but where? Let's see. Will they push? Will they push is the question. Will they push back up here? How far is that drawdown? I don't want that big drawdown. 18, because the TP is gonna be 165. It's 36. So TP 45 pips. So 50 pip stop loss. Do a 50 pip stop loss on this intraday. 50 pip stop loss on the intraday. All right, we got rejection. 30-minute true shift already happened. It's consolidating. It's bounce off to 50. It's merging with that liquid 50. Hold on, I'm just checking something. Market baseline's coming down. Let's see. Stay with your flow. Get ready to flow. All right, so what we're gonna do. They're doing a lot of rejection and consolidation, and they're not gonna give us a clean entry yet. they're just gonna drop. So this is what we're gonna do. So 25 pips above this A range. Perfect. Gives us 50 pips. They went pretty large as A range. See how far they went A range. It's probably why they're ranging. It's probably why they're ranging. Nope. Still good. So they got at least 25 pips. They can go back 75 pips and come to this A range, but they did already. So we got 25 pips above. So the total stop loss is going to be $62. I can live with that because we're going to have at least a 60 pip drop here, at least 150 pip drop there. 60 pips, 66, 150, so 200. We'll play him in threes. Here we go. Let's do it. All right, so we can sell GJ. I'm putting the stop loss 65 pips. 65 pip stop loss for 200 pip gain. Ratio's 1-to-36. All right, so we in there. I'm in there. All right, stop loss. They're rejecting, doing a lot of rejecting right now, which is nice. So keep it there. TP, first TP to the EMA. 64008. Second TP. A range bottom right here. So let's do the middle, cut that A range in half. It's 200 pips. So let's do 60. Let's do 100. 163.86. 163.666. And last TP for all of it, which I believe is going to come down there. Oops. All right, GJ. TI. I don't know what the news is, AO. I have no clue what the news is. I haven't looked at the news. I stopped looking at news because they're messing my analysis up. I started getting too hyped off news. My mindset started going past my rules. Looking at news, trashing my trades. So I stopped looking at it. I go back to the way I used to trade. Start trying to look at this Putin hype. He ain't doing nothing no more. He just, now he just talking. But Czar, so I'm gonna look at Czar in a minute because I played Czar. I was playing Czar yesterday. I was trashing Czar. I told you I'd do 10,000 charts. I'll show you how to move. Show me 10,000 charts. I'll show you the moves. That's GJ. That's my GJ trade there. So I'm keeping that. I'm sticking to my story. Looking at this week right here. Sticking to my story. Now, make sure you guys close all trades out at least by tomorrow. So tomorrow, definitely close your trades out. So keep all those close all those trades out. Be done with the market. Don't even click the button after Friday until Monday. Don't click until like probably honestly, trap day gonna be Tuesday. So it's the way it is gonna be. Trap day's gonna be Tuesday. The market's gonna do crazy things. So you're really only gonna get like 2 trading days, 2 good trading days. You get probably Friday. You can trap day Friday next week. But with the holiday, they like to open up, and so I mean, honestly, I'll probably sit on my hands until um, probably Tuesday. Honestly, I'll probably sit on my hands Tuesday. I'll see what they do on Tuesday. If I do, obviously, I'll just trade gold, but it's gonna be hard to go ahead and do anything in the market for Forex because they're gonna do some trapping Tuesday. So they're gonna be opening up because Monday's what, Passover or something like that. It's like a holiday, isn't it a holiday, Passover? So we got Easter Sunday, and then Passover. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. So it's some holiday, religious. There you go, religious stuff. I'm not too religious. My parents are though. I'm not. But I know when the holiday's coming up, I'm trading, so I ain't getting lose my money. So yes, so Friday, so Friday, and then open market Sunday, it's not gonna happen, and then Monday is not gonna happen. Just don't even bother trading Monday. Don't even mess with it. You'll lose your money. So just chill out, do some homework, hang out with the fam, go do something, and then Tuesday come back and regroup, get those pips. So GJ gonna stall for a minute, which is fine. So let him stall. We're gonna take that trade. We're burning this trade though, so we're good. Let this happen. Let this happen. All right, gold looks good. We in there for gold. Let's go for our plays real fast. Let's go for our plays real fast. What did GU do? Did GU stall on us? I think GU stalled on us before I go to UZAR. Did GU stall on us? What it do? What it do? Put us in profit, then stalled. So my broker got me in profit when I on my third candle, but it didn't stall. So I'm staying in the trade, guys. So I'm staying in this trade. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, my broker had me in. All brokers had me above my entry. So I'm staying in my trade. Got 1, 2, 3, staying in my trade. So I'm taking my my exits. Take it to my exits. That's it. That's all she wrote now. Take it to my exits. So take GU to your exits. You're already in profit. Take it to your exits. Ideally, we want this. We want this to pull up a little bit more. We want at least. We want this whole thing, but we might not get it because they're rejecting heavy. Rejecting pretty heavy, but stay in the trade. Follow your exits. All right, we are good to go. 3 candle rules in effect. Stay in the trade. All right, and then we have AJ. Gonna be a while. AJ's gonna be a while. AJ's a set it and forget it. It's gonna be a while. Yeah, let AJ breathe. It's gonna be a minute. First TP's to the white line. Let that be the first TP. And then we have gold. I think that's enough for today so far. I'm about to put out like 15 trades in a minute because I just had to write them down. I forgot to put them out yesterday for scalpers. Gold is good to go. Let it reject, pull back. Keep hitting this thing in. Keep hitting this thing all the way to 1960. And delete that. I'll put on the chat too. Delete the buy limit 1955. Go ahead and delete that. If it don't hit today, go ahead and delete it. So if that 1950. If that 1950 don't hit today, go ahead and delete it. Don't even hold it for the week. We'll reassess it. So that buy limit, yeah. Let gold do its thing. Boom. I think that's all I got right now. I put up some pending orders in there earlier yesterday. That's all I got then, guys. Let these trades breathe. Let GJ breathe. Let AJ breathe. We're going in the same direction. So let them breathe. Let gold breathe. Let these 3 trades go. Let them do their thing. I think we got a good stop loss on GJ. That's a really high move on GJ. If it goes, that's a crazy push within the last like 3 weeks. That's a crazy push. I mean, that's something I haven't seen from GJ. GU looks good. Follow your exits. Other than that, we good, guy. Again, if that 1950 buy limit don't hit on gold today, delete it. Be done. So I will see y'all tonight on Anthony's class, the Forex mindset, and I'll look the class schedule. We probably won't do Monday. I know people have like church stuff like that on Monday, so I'll check with everybody in the group, see what they got going on. If everybody can make some classes, I'll do something new. I'll do some classes. I'll teach how to trade liquidity. So I'll do something like that, and I'll teach something with the EMAs. We'll do something with the EMAs. We'll do something with that. Teach you guys the Brinks trade live. Show you guys how to trade the Brinks trade live. We'll do it that way. So we'll do some pretty cool trades next week. Other than that, chill today. Let your trade, get in your trades again. Close your MT4 today. Be done. Like after today, be done. Like don't even mess with tomorrow. Trust me, don't hang you, and then you'll be mad. Just let it be. Let it be clear. Going to the weekend, MT4 zeroed. Come back to the market Tuesday. If Monday, I think Monday's a holiday, so yeah, just come back Tuesday. But yeah, Chair. I'm gonna show you the Brinks trade. So I'll show you guys. I'll make a class up on the Brinks trade. Show you guys how to trade that. It's pretty cool. Easy trade. Happens all day. You'd be like, dang, man, this is easy. So I'll see y'all. Enjoy. See y'all tonight for some laughter. And we'll end the week on some laughter. You know how AP do. Y'all stay blessed. Stay safe too. GU's looking good right now. We good.